Welcome to the festive Vogue, all happening at the newly opened Curator Art and Exhibition Gallery on the 17th and 18th of September. Collection में उनके पास चनिया चोली है जिसमें variety of blouses, दुपट्टास, कापड़ा blouses है. उसके साथ साथ we have beautiful jewelry, sarees, some casual wear as well. We also have a brand जो बहुत special handcrafted and recycled products लेकर आया है. To check the collection, swipe left. This is brand Papico, and if you're looking for some beautiful corporate giftings, even gifting for your family members but with a beautiful concept, then this is the perfect stall you can visit. Everything here again is handcrafted, recycled, so zero waste and zero harm to the environment. These pencils, like we talked about, you can plant them after you are done with them. They have these notepads. Look at that, beautiful detailing. They have these jute bags के options as well. Look at that. They also have these paper bags that you can use for Diwali gifting, or you can put sweets in them. Tissue box, yes, so tissue dispenser box also, and a lot more. If you want to create a hamper like this with kalamkari diaries, you have those as well. And then we have these quirky looking tote bags also. This is brand Divenza, and they are here with their beautiful home decor items, especially for festivities, Navratri, wedding. If you want something in Shubh Labh, Evil Eye with beautiful detailing, then you can check them out. They have these Toran options here as well. Look at that. So you can use them for Navratri, Diwali. You can gift them also. Customize भी कर सकते हैं आप. So in your choice of colors, you can get it customized. Look at that. How beautiful, how pretty, very beautiful. I'll show you a few more detailings that are done. Look at that. Continuing with Divenza gifts, they also curate these very cute and beautiful looking hampers of candles, candle stand, as well as whatever you want to put in, you can put in that. You can get it customized, something like this. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ चाहिए, उसके साथ साथ they have these rangoli options as well that look very pretty. So you just need to place them and you need to place the candles and you're good to go. They have these candle stands as well. Look at that. उसमें भी बहुत cute looking things हैं उनके पास. Something in elephant. Then all these beautiful looking candles. Look at that. I think they are very tempting as well. See how pretty. ये आप festivities के अलावा you can use them for weddings also, to decorate the entrance and all. So these look very pretty. Again, this entire stall is Divenza gifting. This is brand Bhumika Virani, and as you can see, she has beautiful collection of set options जिसमें आपको दुपट्टा, blouse and the chanya, you are going to get that. And also let me tell you, इनके जो set options हैं, separates हैं, उसके जो घेर हैं, they are beautiful, so you don't have to worry at all. दुपट्टा भी हर एक पीस का दुपट्टा अलग डिटेलिंग के साथ है, अलग पैटर्न के साथ है, अलग मटेरियल के साथ है. सो इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. इट इज कम्प्लीटली कस्टमाइज्ड फॉर योर लुक. लुक एट दैट, लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग, पूरा कॉन्ट्रास्ट लुक में है. समथिंग इन रस्ट एंड वायलेट का कॉम्बिनेशन. ओम्ब्रे इफेक्ट में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. ब्यूटिफुल रानी पिंक कलर विथ ओम्ब्रे वाइट एंड पिंक कलर का दुपट्टा. वेरी प्रिटी. If you are also a fan of these kapda blouses, they are available here. They also have these kachi bharat work dupatta here with beautiful heavy borders. उसमें भी उनके पास अलग अलग टाइप के मटेरियल्स हैं. देन इफ यू वांट समथिंग इन फुल सेट, पूरा थोड़ा लॉन्ग ब्लाउज के साथ, वो ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल है. सेपरेट्स में देख लेते हैं थोड़े और ऑप्शंस जो आप मिक्स एंड मैच कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर आकर. व्हाइट एंड रेड बांधनी का पूरा एक पैच है, ब्यूटिफुल विथ मिरर्स ऑन देम, सो दैट गिव्स अ पॉप टू योर चनिया. देन पूरा मल्टी कलर में, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग इन ब्लू, आई थिंक ह्यूज एंड टोन्स ऑफ अ पीकॉक, then you can get this. पूरा green with mirror work and beautiful border. Lovely. Look at that. so you can mix and match here. बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. She has options in dupattas and a lot of blouses as well.
Hi, this is Shalini from Ritasha Lifestyle.
Okay.
We are here showcasing our jewelry and apparel.
Okay.
We have handmade jewelry, we have metal jewelry wherein we are showcasing oxidized jewelry, we are showcasing pure brass jewelry, we are also showcasing moti jewelry. We have German silver jewelry.
Okay.
This is very good right now. Thinking of Navratri season.
Right. Yes.
So yeah, we have a lot of accessories. We have rings which are uniquely built and manufactured by our manufacturers.
Lovely.
So
Look at
these are hairpins we have.
Lovely.
We have handmade jewelry. These are all handmade jewelries.
Okay, handmade jewelry, a lot of options. These are Kanse.
Yes.
That will look very pretty with your Navratri
Yes,
attire. A lot of options of rings, few more rings here.
We also have German silver chumkas and very
Okay.
pretty unique design. So basically we have all kinds of saris. We are representing culture of India
Okay.
from each state. We have
Alright.
kalamkari saris in khadi.
Okay.
We have Banarsi from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
You can see various designs and colors. We have
Alright.
tissue silk. We have, considering this is Durga Puja season, we
Absolutely.
have Bengali saris
Okay.
for Sindur Khila. We also have Rajasthani hand block bagro prints. We have tissue silk.
Okay.
So there's a lot of variety that we are showcasing here.
Alright, so this is
Do
the
visit-
entire Indian tour if you want to take,
Yes,
right?
do visit us on www.ritasha.com.
Okay, we also want to check out few more ethnic pieces that they have brought. So let's check those also.
Yes.
You can use them for your everyday routine work wear or for small festivities also.
Yes.
They have a lot of color options in them. So you can check that out as well. Lovely. This is brand Pepico and they have come up with a beautiful concept. So everything here you see is handcrafted, is recycled, beautifully made, also keeping environment in mind. So this entire kit is a DIY grow kit. So this pot that you're seeing is a coconut shell made pot, and then they have seeds inside with different materials that will grow as you water it. And uske साथ unke paas they have these plantable pencils, so you use them and then जब वो खत्म होने आए तब आप उनको plant कर सकते हो, and then that will also grow a plant. Look at that, something similar to what I was talking about. So this brand has beautifully brought the concept of environment conservation. उनके पास बाकी बहुत सारे products हैं which we will cover in the next slide.